The gorgeous SUV, and like every Tesla car on the market, it is one of its kind in the world of automobiles. But there are many things you do not know about this amazing all-electric SUV. So how about we talk about it in this video? So, welcome to our channel. Press the subscribe button on your way if you haven't done that yet, and here are 10 facts about the Tesla Model X that you didn't know. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. New safety benchmarks. Tesla has created many benchmarks since its arrival at not only the electric car market, but the automobile industry in general. They introduced technologies that were never expected to be seen in even the most expensive of cars. They set benchmarks when it came to car performance, they set benchmarks when it came to cars' interior and exterior design, and they set benchmarks in car features and technology. But one thing you might know is that the Tesla Model X is the safest SUV on the planet right now. The Model X is made for families, so there are no compromises made on the car's safety section. Tesla performed many crash tests on the Model X, and it got a 5-star rating in all of its crashes, making it the first family SUV to do so. Number 9. Rapid fast auto brakes. The Tesla Model X is crazy fast, and we will talk about how fast they are and how fast they can be later in this video. But many cars that are also must have equally fast brakes to avoid seriously fatal car accidents. Even though companies make these crazy fast cars, they don't really put an equal amount of emphasis on the car's braking system, which is why many supercars see bad accidents. Now, considering that Teslas have beaten many supercars like the Porsche 911 and Lamborghini Aventador, they must have amazing braking systems. Well, the Tesla Model X not only has rapid brakes, it has rapid automated brakes, which can make it a literal lifesaver in the city. They introduced the first automatic emergency braking system that can also work at highway speeds, which can go up to 200 kilometers per hour. Number 8. Bioweapon safety. We all know that Elon Musk always thinks outside of the box, but sometimes he thinks way too much. So maybe Elon Musk was playing Call of Duty one day, and when a foe used a bioweapon on him, he might have thought to himself, that can also happen in real life in case of a World War III, which nearly happened at the start of this terrible virus-filled year. So how about I make my car free from any kind of bioweapon? Well, we don't expect to be in a war, but thanks for the thought anyway, Elon. So, at the Tesla Model X release party, Elon Musk boasted a feature that no car has ever had. The feature is Model X's true high-efficiency particulate arrestance (HEPA) filter. Plus, in case a bioweapon attack does happen, there is a bioweapon defense mode right on the HVAC controls in case of a nerve gas bomb attack. Maybe Elon Musk took car safety way too seriously. Or maybe he is just gearing up for the next World War. Number 7. The Falcon doors. One of the most unique and attractive features of the Tesla Model X is its Falcon doors. This is the first family SUV to come with those kinds of doors. These look wild and give the family SUV a rather sporty look. Now, do you remember that the Falcon doors are only for the rear passengers? The front seats will have the traditional hinged doors. Tesla has made the design decision due to some serious reasons, and they made up for it by making the front doors automated. Plus, Falcon doors not only look great, they are also quite useful design-wise. If you are in jam-packed parking, then Falcon doors can help you get out with any trouble from the tightest of spaces. Number 6. A huge windshield. The Tesla Model X has a windshield that also acts like a borderless sunroof, making you feel like you are driving below a clear and beautiful sky. The windshield is tinted for obvious reasons, and the glass used for this borderless windshield plus sunroof is also quite durable, so you don't need to worry about long continuous cracks from the top of the car. This also gives you an immersive view of the road, and you won't miss out on any road sign, no matter how high the road sign is located. However, we don't know how it'll fare against direct sunlight. Elon might have definitely thought something about it. I mean, he added bioweapon features to this car. Number 5. A tow truck. The Tesla Cybertruck is Tesla's pickup and towing champion. But what if I tell you that the Tesla Model X, which is a family SUV, can tow a lot of weight? £5,000 to be exact. Yes, we are not kidding. Tesla Model X is a low-key pickup truck disguised as a family SUV. According to Tesla, the Model X has a total towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. This is possible because the Model X is incredibly high torque for a family SUV, thanks to the great electric motor system of the car. So you can take the Model X to your picnics, and it can even drag your boats, camps, and even vans. Number 4, the crazy fast model. Tesla Model X is not only big, beautiful, and durable, it is also incredibly fast, like all the Tesla cars on the market. Even though the base model of the Tesla Model X is fast enough for most of us, but if you fancy having drag races with your friends' Lamborghinis, Ferraris, or Porsches, then the Model X also comes with a ludicrous mode option, which will cost $10,000 more than the base price of the car. The name of the mode is inspired by Mel Brooks' 1987 film Spaceballs. This mode allows the Model X to reach the top speed of 155 miles per hour, which is amazing for a fully electric car. Number 3, it's crazy fast for a family SUV. Even if you don't want to spend the extra $10,000, you can still get yourself an incredibly fast family SUV. The all-wheel drive engine setup and the instantaneous torque not only make this car durable, but it can make it reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of just 3 seconds, 3.2 seconds to be exact. That's the kind of performance that you would expect from a supercar, not from a 7-seater family SUV. So, even if you go with the base variant, you are getting yourself an incredibly fast and powerful SUV. Number 2, long range. One of the most important things you look into while buying an electric vehicle is its range, and the Tesla Model X range is so good that you will stop having this fear of the range ending midway on the road. As a matter of fact, when your battery reaches a certain level, Tesla guides you to the nearest charge station through its infotainment system, which is the best one on the market right now. The Model X's range can go as high as 257 miles per charge, plus the batteries are quite efficient as well. Maybe it's time for you to switch to EVs. Number 1, it can be the first full autonomous family SUV. Musk has a vision. He has many visions. Still, one of his visions is that he wants to make cars completely autonomous. This is why in the future, versions of the Tesla Model X, the self-driving mechanism, will become so flawless that all Tesla cars will become fully autonomous. The time in which this will happen is not that far away. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, press the like button. Do tell us in the comment section what you think of today's video. Also, if you are new to this channel, press the red subscribe button down there to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates from our channel. We'll be signing off here, so take care.